Hello, good morning, and welcome back to our online lesson. For today, we'll be learning about math. But before we start, I would just like to say that the PowerPoint that I'm using right now is from twinkle.com. It's twinkl.com. Twinkle.com offers a lot of content from um, the preschool stages up to the higher year. So they also have paid subscription if you'd like. So let's begin. So for today, we will be learning how to add or to count on or to put things together up to 20. So let's begin. Last week, we were able to visit Amy's Bake Shop. Now we will be attending a party. For today, we will try to find out about all the things that happened in the party. So, who's going to the party? Some children have already arrived at the party. More children are just arriving. Can you count how many children will be at the party altogether? So there's already 3 kids that arrived, and then there's 2 who just arrived, who just came. So if we put it together, how many do you think it will be? So it will be 3 plus 2 equals how many kids? Let's try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5. There's also another way. It's called counting on. See the number here at the left? There's already 3, right? So we will start from 3. So 3, what's the number that comes after 3? It's 4, right? So when we count this kid over here, we will say 4 and then 5. So that makes 5 kids. If you're a little bit confused, we can go to the next slide just for another example. We will be counting on again. For this one, there are already 6 children at the party. So there's already 6. We're not going to put the picture of the kids already. Just remember that the first number is 6. And then 4 more children arrived at the party after the 6 children. So if we're going to count on, we will start with 6. What's the number after 6? See? Over here, and then here, and then here, and then here. So the number after 6 will be 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So how many kids arrived at the party? That will be 10. After the 10 kids started eating and dancing and enjoying everything at the party, another batch of kids went in the door. There were 7 kids who came in first. And then after that, how many kids came next? Let's try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 7 plus 7. So let's count on from number 7. Number 7, we're going to count 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number is over here? That will be the answer. What number is this one? Okay, if your answer is 14, you're correct. Very good. Let's go to the next one. For this one, try to do it on your own. There are 9 children at the party already. Can you count how many children will be at the party altogether? So there's 9 plus how many kids? How many do you think are they in all? I'll give you 30 seconds to try and solve and figure out how many kids are there in all. If you're having a hard time, you can ask help from your parents or from an auntie or a tito or a lola or anybody who's there with you at the house right now. Okay, let's try to answer it together. For this one, we're already starting from number 9. All we need to do is count how many kids arrived after the 9 kids. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So it will be 9 plus 6 kids equals, we'll try to figure that out together, okay? So how many spaces do we need to count? 6, because there's 6 kids who arrive. So 9 plus 6, let's start 9. Let's count 6 numbers, 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number is over here? 15. Alright, let's try counting the kids. 9, let's start from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is it the same? Alright, very good. If your answer is also 15, you're correct. You got the right answer. Let's try one more time. There are 8 children at the party already. Can you count how many children will be at the party altogether? You start counting from number 8 and then count the children that comes after. I'll give you 20 seconds to try and answer the question. You can also ask help from anybody who's there with you at the house right now. And then I will click on the question mark so that you can see if you got the right answer. I won't be helping you for this one this time. Are you ready? Alright, the answer is 13. If you got 13, you were able to get the right answer. We will start from 8 and then we will count the next kid. 8, the number that comes after 8 is 9. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 13. Try to answer this one on your own too. There are 10 children at the party already. And then there's another batch of kids that arrived after. Can you try and count how many kids are there in all? I will give you 15 seconds for this one. Go! Ready? Let's try and see what the answer is. So we'll be starting counting from 10. What's the number that comes after 10? That's 11. So we're starting we're going to start counting the kids that came after. So it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So how many kids were at the party altogether? 16. If your answer is 16, you got the right answer. Good job. Very good. Thank you very much for listening and for paying attention. If you still have questions that you need answered, you can ask help from your mom or dad, or you could ask help from them so that they could message me so I can give you extra coaching. Thank you again, kids, and have a good day. Until next time.